Merry Christmas, guys. I am just about to head out to a concert. It's a candlelight concert in tribute to Coldplay, which sounds really fun. I have been just catnapping all day with my cats, so I'm a little tired, but I got up. I'm ready. I'm gonna go enjoy the evening. And tomorrow I wanna do some Christmas decorating. I picked up some cute little miniature houses from Michael's that also light up that I'm going to be painting and decorating. But first, let's head out and go to a concert. I think it is a little windy and cold, so I'm not looking forward to that, but I think it's going to be worth it.
'Cause it's Christmas time. Christmas time. And I need you around, darling. Always Christmas time. I feel sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to call this. 'Cause it's Christmas time.
I just finished the first one and I think it turned out really pretty. I'm very happy with it. The glitter glue still needs to dry, and I also have some glitter shakers that I'm going to try on the other ones. But the best part about it is that it lights up. I got these at Michael's. They were 2 for $14, so $7 each. And I thought that they were just adorable and would make a perfect, cute little customizable Christmas village in whatever colors you want to have it. So I'm just gonna let this dry and start working on the other 3. I have a Christmas tree coming tomorrow from Amazon. I ordered a white one this time. I'm very excited about it. And I have plans to make my own decorations. And I've just been kind of picking up a few decorations here and there from the dollar store. I've always had green Christmas trees, so I'm really excited to have a white one. I think that the colors will just pop a little bit more. But yeah, I love this so much and I can't wait to finish the other ones. I also got a delivery today from Amazon. I am kind of redoing my living room area, so I have a couch coming. I got this really nice bamboo chair and this sort of modern lamp these past few days, and it came in the biggest box. If I fits, I sits. If I fits, I sits. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Oh no, it's only room for me. There's only room for one of us. I'm gonna go in the box, okay? Okay, it's my box now. Oh, it's my box. Okay, bye. It's a great fort. So I worked up a little bit of a sweat putting the tree up and putting the lights on. It took a while to get all the branches separated, but I think that it looks so angelic and beautiful, and I can't wait to decorate it. The tree that I got was 7 feet tall, and I'm used to the 6-foot trees, which are never big enough. And this one with that last branch extended actually touches the ceiling, so I'm glad I didn't go for a bigger size. I just wanted to show you some of the decorations that I ended up picking up at the dollar store and Walmart. And I'm also going to try to make some ornaments as well. Starting with this tree skirt. I wanted something that was velvety, and I really like the gold accents in it. I didn't want something with too much pattern in it because my rug has a lot of pattern in it. And I love buffalo check, and I found these at the dollar store, and they are 6 for $3.50 little ornaments. And this is something else I got at the dollar store that is so exciting. They are these beautiful blue iridescent sort of pearl style of candy cane, and I think they're just so dainty and precious, and I love the color. I sort of have a black and white with green and blue going on in the color scheme. And then I was at Walmart with a friend picking out some ornaments, and I just beelined towards these nutcrackers. They are this black flocked velvet with gold sparkles, and I think they were $3.50 each. And I couldn't resist those. I love a nutcracker. And then I picked up some velvet ribbon, just some thin velvet ribbon. I'm going to make a ton of dainty little velvet bows to hang on the tree. When I do bows on a tree, I usually forego the garland, but I might add this little mint green pearl garland. I don't think it's gonna be super noticeable, but again, I think that it's just really cute and dainty. And I've had this in my craft stash forever and just didn't know what to do with it. And speaking of my craft stash, I also want to make probably some more ball ornaments, but I couldn't find ones that I really liked. I really wanted some green velvet ones. I've also never made salt dough ornaments, and I found this really adorable cookie cutter at Michael's in the shape of a house, and it even has like that push spring so that you can push the dough out of it. And I think I want to make some cute little salt dough ornaments and paint them and add them to the tree. And lastly, I'm going to sort of tuck this one in there because I am going to Paris in about 6 or 7 months, and it's my first time going to Europe, and I'm super excited about it. So I wanted to add a little Paris ornament as my reminder of my upcoming trip, which will hopefully get me through the January blues. So today I'm just going to decorate with what I have and then see what else I want to add to it. So far, I think that it is just turning out so beautifully. I love the combination of the colors, and the mint garland actually went really well with it. I think, I don't know, these are my favorite, these little candy canes and the nutcrackers. But it's still feeling a little bare, so I definitely want to add some more stuff to it this week. I was actually looking at my nails and thinking that this color, this lime green, it would be a nice pop of color on it. And the cats are loving it as well. I am very happy with how the little Christmas village turned out, and today I want to work on some ornaments for the tree. Yesterday I experimented with a velvet kind of flocked look, so I just picked up some ornaments from the dollar store in some gold and red, and I really wanted like textured ones to kind of have like that vintage look, but I wanted them to be this lime green color, and I think that it turned out really nice. So basically it's just paint and baking soda to achieve that sort of velvety look. And then I also wanted sort of some marbly looking ornaments. So I picked up some fillable ornaments from the dollar store. And again, I just experimented with one last night. And this is how it turned out. And I love it. I think it's perfect. So I'm gonna make a few more of those today. And then some salt dough ornaments, and my goal is to finish the tree today. So I don't think that I'm gonna put the little salt dough ornaments on the tree. They kind of just look a little too handmade for me. I tried to paint them and gold leaf them to maybe make them look a little bit more like an ornament, but it just looks like a cookie to me. And a probably very horrible tasting cookie. But I do really love the cookie cutter, so I definitely want to make some cookies with it. But everything else turned out, so you win some, you lose some.